Hey from Seesaw. I'm Mia Leonard, an instructional partner from the Professional Learning team. Seesaw is passionate about the work you do, and as a school partner, in helping ensure we bring joy to the work you do daily, utilizing our learning experience platform for elementary classrooms. We're committed to helping you understand all that Seesaw has to offer to support student engagement, foster creativity, and cultivate a culture of collaboration among educators, students, and families. We are dedicated to partnering with you to strengthen your implementation and uncover the full potential of Seesaw's multimodal tools, resources, and curriculum. Whether you're looking to strengthen your implementation from the start or deepen your Seesaw knowledge, our experienced team of former educators and Seesaw experts are here to guide you every step of the way. Now let's hear from a couple of our fantastic partners about how Seesaw Professional Learning has empowered their educators with practical skills and made a difference in their districts.
This year, it's been a game changer for our district. It's a re-engagement tool, because if you can provide them throughout the year, teachers are not apt to put Seesaw usage on the back burner, but yet they are going to constantly be circulating back and using, again, learning new tools, and basically advancing both their learning, but then their students' learning as well.
Professional learning through Seesaw keeps us engaged and informed and also prepared. I believe Seesaw presents a good variety of ways for all of us to learn here in Northside and apply it to our students. They're that much better for it.
Our mission is simple. We want you and your educators to feel confident and empowered using Seesaw. That's why we offer hands-on, focused professional learning tailored to your district's unique needs. So let's embark on this journey together. Reach out to your Seesaw Customer Success or Partnership Manager to kickstart your Seesaw Professional Learning journey today.